What do we say to Besta for sending you a present?
Thank you, Pencil. Thank you.
Wow, what is that? What is that? Oh, cute basket.
Okay, here you go. Sudoku? I think that's for me.
Is that a game for Allie?
You're gonna have
Oh, Peeps. Everybody loves Peeps.
Here, there is some chalk, and it just fell out.
Uh-oh. That's the same chalk that we were playing with in Ohio, right?
Yeah.
That'll be fun. You can do decorations on your driveway. Wow. What's on that plate in there?
Mommy, you want to have some candy?
There's some candy on there? Oh. What is that, Allie? Like a makeup case? Oh, cute. I suppose that's for me.
Okay.
Oh, I'm just teasing.
Mommy, what have your ones?
Another basket? That's Allie's basket from the Easter Bunny.
This is cute.
What is it?
Lotion.
Oh, way cute. I like the blue. What flavor?
Yeah, I think these are yours.
Oh, no.
Balloons. Wow. Everybody can see that biscuit that you're chewing in your mouth. You want to keep your mouth shut? Thank you.
Yeah, look at this. Jump rope.
Wow, your very own jump rope.
And candy. You want candy in there?
That basket is so cute. Do you think she made that? I'm sure she did. Look at that. Everybody, look at that. That is too cute. Ooh, candy in the basket.
Mommy, you want some?
Oh, I might later. Wow, what do you say to Besta and Gramps?
Thank you, Pencil and Tape.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. I love you.
Aww.
Oh, I can't measure up to that. I'm sorry.
That was just too cute.
I
Aww.
can't measure, but thank you.
Bye.